There's Lisa's car. About 3 feet on each side. My car pretty much buried up to the door there. Up to the door on this side. It's up to the fence back there. This drift right here in between the houses, it's about 3.5 feet. Just kind of swales up right here, right off the driveway to a peak. And some more buried cars. Those guys' drifts are insane over there. They almost touch from the roof to the floor. Look at that thing, it's gonna fall. There's one lone set of tracks on the street. Alright, my hand's freezing.